my dear students and my dear viewers. Welcome back to this channel, and I am here again with you to discuss my next video with you, which is based on the reading skill. Now, I will continue further. For this video, you have to see the previous link. So please go to it, those who have not seen that video, because it is linked with the previous one. Okay, so let's begin. Are you all ready? Yes, that's good. So as I told you, the basic things about words is that the pronunciation is important, the spelling is important when we are focusing on the reading skill. So whenever we are going through a paragraph, a text, what comes? The words are there, okay? And how we pronounce the words, how clear we pronounce the words is very, very important. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the fourth word which I took up is L-A-R-G-E, large. This is an adjective for the students of English who need to know the part of speech about the word which we are discussing. We will do this again. L-A-R-G-E, large. Now see, what is important is where we are stressing. If you notice, I said large. I did not sound the R. It is, we take R as silent. So the sound is large. The R sound is prominent. Large. This is a large building. So the meaning of large we need to know so that we are clear about the word which we are speaking. So it can be big, it can be great, it can be huge depending on the text or the way we are speaking or writing. Or we can say considerable, large size or capacity. We use these phrases when we are using the word large. Let's take an example. A large clove of garlic. Okay, so we can use it in a phrase. A large clove of garlic. You know those pieces of garlic which you eat? We call it clove of garlic. Now you can see when I'm saying phrase, I do not use a capital letter in the beginning. So we also understand that a sentence starts with a capital letter, but when we are using phrases, we don't use capital letter. We write in small letters. So these are small things about grammar or the use of language. So from here, we go to the next word. Let us see the word original. O-R-I-G-I-N-A-L. Original. You can repeat with me. O-R-I-G-I-N-A-L. Let's pronounce it together. Original. So I focus on the sound. So let us see where I am putting the stress. Original. Original. So you know how you speak the word, how clear you speak the word. I'm repeating it once again that this is very important so that your fluency in your language, be it any language, it comes naturally. Original, and for that practice is also required. Okay, so again for the students of English, we must know which part of speech it is so that our understanding becomes even better. So it is an adjective. So I am able to register which is a noun, which is an adjective when I am learning a word. So this is the way when I am focusing on improving my pronunciation skill, how I use this word while reading, we need to be aware of. So let's come to the meaning. Now, original. What is the meaning of original? We all understand what is original. But if we have to explain, we will practice by writing it down. Present or existing from the beginning. Now, if I have to tell my students what is the meaning of original, I will tell like this. It is present or existing from the beginning. So I understand that how I need to remember this meaning of the word original. Let's take an example. When I say, I'm again using a phrase here to explain you. I say original owner of the house. Mr. Sharma is the original owner of the house. Now I can use the word in a sentence. Another use of original is created by a particular artist or writer. Means not a copy. When we talk about some original document, that is another way of using the word original. So now we go to the next word, the last word for today. Elaborate. E-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-E. Elaborate. You must have come across this word many times when you're reading a story, when you're reading a lesson. Elaborate. E-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-E. So remember, mistake we do sometimes is that, common mistakes I'm discussing, we say elaborate. It is not elaborate. It is elaborate. O sound is here. The sound over here is a soft O. Elaborate. This is an adjective. It's a part of speech. Which part of speech it is? It is an adjective. Let's do the meaning. Now when I say elaborate, it means involving many carefully arranged parts or details. Mark the meaning once again. Involving many carefully arranged parts or details. The word carefully is important, okay? So then only we use the word elaborate. Like I will explain you with one or two sentences. Like I say, the dancers were wearing elaborate costumes. So you will understand, something which was carefully, the careful details are involved in this sentence. The dancers were wearing elaborate costumes. So it's describing how the costumes are, right? So the careful selection of the costumes. Second use of elaborate is, we made elaborate preparations for the seminar, okay, or a conference or any program. So elaborate word fits into this sentence. So this is the way we can make a sentence. We can understand the meaning of a word. We can use this word for learning the spelling, practicing it, and also focus on how I'm pronouncing the word. So when we do a word like this, the word becomes clear, your understanding of the text is better, you read with confidence, and remember to practice it again and again. So this is all for today. If you like this video, if you like the way we are doing it, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more and more information, more and more ways of practicing or learning English, and please share with your friends, family and everybody. So please wait for the next video which is coming soon. Stay happy, stay good.